Hello friends, and welcome back to Cleaning Therapy. Now today was supposed to be a whole house clean with me, but my plans had changed, and instead of having about 6 hours to clean, I was down to about 2. So instead of just giving up this cleaning session altogether, I decided to go ahead and just target the dirtiest spots in my house. There were some really gross, really nasty spots in the front of my house, the main living area, that I had just been looking at, and it was driving me crazy. And I was just ready to tackle those. And if you're anything like me, you'll start doing some spring cleaning in an area of your home or some decorating. And while you're doing that, everything else is just falling behind and getting really dirty. So I just wanted to play catch up today and get into these dark, dirty places where I feel like it has been neglected and needs some attention. But before I get too far, I want to say that this video is in collaboration with Yesenia from YESENIA'S life. So I'm going to go ahead and give over the floor to her to introduce herself.
Hi guys, I'm Yesenia from YESENIA'S life. I am a wife and a mom of 3 kids. That's 11, 10, and 7. I do everything from cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and decorating. So if that's the kind of content that you like after you finish watching this beautiful video, don't forget to head over to my channel and check me out. And I hope you enjoy my content just enough to subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment so I can say hi to you guys. Thank you.
All right, you guys, go head over to Yesenia's channel after this and go show her some love and tell her I sent you. So as I'm about to tackle this dirty area rug, I went to go vacuum it, and the vacuum was not working. And when I checked it, it was full of hair. Now I am still having that postpartum hair shedding, whatever it is. I don't have any pets. This is actually just my hair. My son is 2.5 years old, but for some reason I'm still losing my hair. And so this is real life right here. This is really gross, but this happens sometimes, and it'll just build up by getting caught into the carpet and the floors. So I use a scissors to get that out, and then my vacuum works perfectly again. So as you can see, I pulled a ton of hair out of that vacuum cleaner. That is so gross, but I have to say it does happen from time to time. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum off this area rug, and then I plan on grabbing my Hoover PowerDash, which is my favorite little lightweight carpet cleaner, and it does a really good job. It's very affordable and it's very lightweight. So I'm gonna have that linked in my description box, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area rug and we'll see how it comes out. And since I already had the vacuum cleaner out as well as the carpet cleaner, I decided to hop on into my dining room and go ahead and clean that area rug while I was at it. And while I'm doing that, I'll go ahead and introduce myself in case any of you guys are new to my channel or you're coming over from Yesenia's channel. So my name is Jenny, and I have 3 kids, and I live here in southern Louisiana, and I love to do cleaning and decluttering and organizing and deep cleaning and all kinds of cleaning motivation related content on my channel. And I love to use cleaning as a form of therapy for stress management, anxiety management, depression, you name it. I really think that creating a clean and calm space for ourselves and our families is not just an investment in our homes, but also in our mental health. So if you like that kind of content, I would invite you to subscribe. If you like what you're seeing so far, I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. And here's what the water looked like after cleaning both carpets. So I'm very glad I finally got to this because they're obviously very dirty and in need of cleaning. And whenever I clean these rugs, I also like to take just a damp towel and run it along the edges of the carpet because there's always dirt that gets underneath from where the vacuum cleaner kind of goes over the edge. And so that is always a great place to clean as well. So moving on in here into the kitchen, I'm just gonna tidy up real quick and then I'm going to unload my dishwasher.
keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
I don't know if you're anything like me, but I feel like I have these two sides to my mind. I have the side of my mind that loves Pinterest-worthy spaces that are just beautifully decorated and nicely organized and decluttered and things like that. I love things that are easy on the eyes, but then I also love true crime and murder mysteries and even that show The Walking Dead. Like, my husband and I loved watching that. So, and I find it all very interesting from like a psychological standpoint, ethical standpoint, things like that. So those kinds of things always draw me in. And so it's so interesting to me to watch this video because I almost feel like this is like the true crime version of my channel because most of my videos are pretty calm and I would say way more laid back when it comes to cleaning channels. And sometimes I'll set them to pretty music and sometimes they'll kind of be aesthetically pleasing. And this one is just nasty. I'm showing you all the grossest places in the front of my house, and some of the footage literally looks like it's from the Blair Witch Project. So this is definitely not the prettiest video I've ever made, and the lighting is not good, so it's all patchy everywhere. But I really do think that if you look at my channel as a whole, you can just think of this as the true crime version or the Walking Dead version of my channel. So I hope that you enjoy it, and if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know because there are many more places in my house that have the funk of 1,000 years built up on them that I could surely make another video like this for you guys. And also let me know in the comments if you feel that way too, where you like the pretty things in life, but you also like a little bit of grit every now and then too.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.
For my stainless today, I'm using the YESENIA'S stainless steel cleaner in the spray form along with a microfiber cloth, and I really had to scrub this time because I just kept getting streaks. And I've been having that a little bit lately with this cleaner, so I just think it puts a little bit too much product on there and it takes a really long time to buff out. So I'll probably either change over to the YESENIA'S spray or I'll try a different stainless steel cleaner. But let me know in the comments what your favorite stainless steel cleaner is because I may try that next.
I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
Now, sometimes on camera, I feel like it's hard to see when something's really dirty because the camera is very forgiving. So I got down here on the floor to show you guys that my kitchen floor is truly dirty and disgusting and it needs a really good steam mopping. So I'm gonna get it swept up real nicely and then I'm gonna grab my Light and Easy steam mop and my Method floor cleaner in the Spearmint Sage scent and steam mop this dirty floor. While I'm doing that, I just wanted to let you guys know about a cleaning challenge that I do here on my channel. It's called the Clean Your Way to Calm Challenge, and it's basically just a checklist that I made for myself just to kind of keep myself accountable this year. I wanted to commit to decluttering and deep cleaning and organizing all of the spaces in my house over the course of a year. So I made myself a little checklist, and then I decided to make it printable so that you guys could join along with me if you felt like you wanted to. So check my description box for a link that says join the Clean Your Way to Calm challenge, and it'll automatically send you your own free printable checklist. And then make sure you're following me at _cleaning_therapy to get the latest on the challenge and what weeks we're on and what we're doing each month, as well as some behind the scenes sneak peeks from the channel.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got making me crazy.
And now that the kitchen's all clean, I'm gonna go ahead and move this train table back onto the rug because it's pretty dry now. And I'm gonna tidy up in here really quick, and then I will tackle the floors. For me, March was a decorating month for my Clean Your Way to Calm challenge. So I have been decorating the house and getting it all ready for spring. I had a really nice time doing it, and I'm really enjoying the simplicity of the decor and the neutral tones, and I've just been really loving it. So if you like decorating videos and you want a little decorating inspiration for spring, then I'll go ahead and link that video at the end of this one in case you want to check it out.
I'm just gonna drive you.
Now moving back into the family room, a lot of times I just clean off the top of this coffee table, and that's kind of like my quick cleanup, but I have been neglecting that second little shelf right here. And so it's been getting really dusty, and I'm so glad I noticed it today because this was the perfect chance just to go ahead and dust the whole thing instead of just that quick top dust that I'll normally do.
It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy.
Another place that had been getting neglected is this little office area over here. It's just been getting cluttered up with boxes, and my son's little table was all pulled out, and he likes to color over here with his crayons and coloring books, and so it just really needed a little bit of attention. And then as far as the desks go, I really do need to do a better job cleaning them at some point, but for today it was just going to be a really quick, speedy cleanup. It's not a deep clean by any sense of the imagination. I'm just simply taking the clutter off and very quickly wiping it down because I feel like that's all I can do today, and it's better than nothing. I used to be a lot more perfectionistic about my cleaning, and I had like this black or white thinking mentality where if I couldn't do everything exactly like I wanted to do it, I just wouldn't do it at all, and I would just wait for the perfect time, the perfect day to get everything done that I needed to. But as I've gotten older, I've just realized that that doesn't always happen, and I just like to get whatever cleaning I can do in a given time. If I've got an hour, then at least I can do an hour's worth of cleaning, and it's not perfect, but I always try to just strive for progress over perfection as best that I can.
Blame on me, so I won't pick up your call. I don't wanna talk about it. You know that we disagree. You always have to have the last word, don't you? Or you do things that you regret. Maybe you can find somebody new, somebody who knows just what to do. When you get all fired up and you hit where you know it will hurt the most, somebody who see what you see, but it won't be me. If you care about me at all, you should respect my boundaries. Don't come knocking on my door, 'cause 'cause it's scary, you must know after.
And now that the house is all clean and calm, I can rest knowing that I at least did what I could today, and it feels really good to know that. So I just want to thank everybody for stopping by my channel. If you're new here or if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you more than you know, and I always like hanging out with you guys. Don't forget to head on over to YESENIA'S channel. It's called YESENIA, A Mom's Life. I know you're going to love her content. It's super motivating. She has a beautiful home and a beautiful family. So make sure you check her channel out. Let her know that I sent you and subscribe while you're there. I will have her channel linked in my description box. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up for the day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Me.